How to parse XML and get instances of a particular node attribute. I have many rows in XML, and I'm trying to get instances of a particular node attribute. How do I access the values of the attribute foobar? In this example, I want 1 and 2.
I suggest elementary. There are other compatible implementations of the same API, such as LXML and Celementary in the Python standard library itself, but, in this context, what they chiefly add is even more speed. The ease of programming part depends on the API, which Elementary defines. First, build an element instance root from the XML, for example with the XML function, or by parsing a file with something like, or any of the many other ways shown at Elementary. Then do something like output.
Minitum is the quickest and pretty straightforward. XML. Python. Output. You can use Beautiful Soup.
There are many options out there. Celementary looks excellent if speed and memory usage are an issue. It has very little overhead compared to simply reading in the file using red lines. The relevant metrics can be found in the table below, copied from the Celementary website. As pointed out by @JFS, Celementary comes bundled with Python. Python 2, from XML.etree import Celementary as elementary. Python 3, from XML.etree import elementary. The accelerated C version is used automatically.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.